Oh shit! These two are just slugging it out right now. Oh god! Joe Gacy must think his name is Liu Kang with that bicycle kick. Oh my god!
Let's see how fucking tough you are!
What the hell?
Let's see that, alright?
I'm glad to be back. This is a damn ballroom brawl. Oh god, they're fighting all the way down the aisle.